We all want to wake up feeling energized and ready to tackle the day. Imagine starting your morning with a burst of energy, feeling refreshed and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. That's the dream, right? But how often do we actually feel that way? But often, we wake up feeling stiff and sluggish. Our bodies feel heavy, our minds are foggy, and it seems like we need a little extra push to get going. This is a common experience for many of us, especially if we've had a restless night or a particularly stressful day before. This is where morning stretches come in, like a magic trick for your body. They are simple yet incredibly effective. Just a few minutes of stretching can transform your morning from groggy to glorious. It's like hitting the reset button on your body, shaking off the stiffness and bringing in a wave of fresh energy. Stretching in the morning is like a gentle wake-up call for your muscles and mind. It's a way to signal to your body that it's time to start the day. Think of it as a bridge between the restful state of sleep and the active state of being awake. It helps you transition smoothly, without the jarring effect of jumping straight into your daily activities. It gets your blood flowing, loosens up stiff joints, and prepares you for the day ahead. When you stretch, you increase circulation, which means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your muscles. This not only helps to wake you up, but also improves your overall physical performance throughout the day. Plus, it just feels good. There's something incredibly satisfying about a good stretch. It's a moment of self-care, a way to connect with your body and appreciate its capabilities. It's a small act that can have a big impact on your mood and outlook for the day. Think of it this way. Stretching is like giving your body a big hug from the inside out. It's a way to show yourself some love and care, setting a positive tone for the entire day. When you take the time to stretch, you're telling your body that it matters, that you're willing to invest in its well-being. It's a way to show yourself some love and care, setting a positive tone for the entire day. So, tomorrow morning, before you reach for your phone or rush to start your day, take a few moments to stretch. Feel the difference it makes, and let it become a cherished part of your morning routine. Your body and mind will thank you for it. When we sleep, our muscles tend to relax and sometimes stiffen up. This can make us feel tense and tired upon waking. Gentle morning stretches can work wonders for relieving this built-up tension. As you stretch, your muscles lengthen and release, helping your body relax. This relaxation isn't just physical, it impacts your mind too. Less tension in your body translates to a calmer, more focused mind. You'll be amazed at how much better you can think and concentrate after just a few minutes of stretching. Our necks hold a lot of tension, especially after hours of sleeping. Neck rolls are a simple but effective way to release this tension and improve flexibility. How to do a neck roll? First, stand or sit comfortably with your back straight. Then gently tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Slowly roll your head in a circular motion, from your right shoulder to your chest, to your left shoulder and back. Finally, repeat the roll in the opposite direction. Shoulder shrugs. Target the muscles in your shoulders and upper back areas that often carry stress. This simple stretch helps release tension and improve circulation. How to do shoulder shrugs? Begin by standing or sitting with your arms relaxed at your sides. Inhale deeply and lift both shoulders towards your ears. Hold for a few seconds, feeling the stretch in your shoulders and upper back. Exhale slowly as you lower your shoulders back down. Section 5. Torso twists, waking up your core. This section is all about invigorating your core muscles and setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. By incorporating torso twists into your morning routine, you can enhance your overall well-being and start your day with a burst of energy. Torso twists are a great way to awaken your core muscles and improve spinal mobility. These exercises not only help in strengthening your abdominal muscles, but also play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy spine. A flexible spine is essential for good posture and can prevent back pain and other related issues. They also gently stimulate your digestive system, which can be helpful in the morning. By engaging in torso twists, you can promote better digestion and reduce bloating. This gentle stimulation can help kickstart your digestive system, making it easier for your body to process the food you consume throughout the day. Now here's how to do torso twists. It's important to perform these exercises correctly to reap the maximum benefits and avoid any potential injuries. Pay close attention to your form and breathing as you go through each step. First, sit comfortably on the floor with your legs crossed. Ensure that your sitting bones are grounded and your spine is straight. This position provides a stable base for the twists and helps in maintaining balance. Place your right hand on the floor behind you and your left hand on your right thigh. This hand placement is crucial as it provides support and leverage for the twist. Make sure your right hand is placed close to your body to maintain stability. Inhale and lengthen your spine. As you take a deep breath in, imagine your spine growing taller and creating space between each vertebra. This elongation is essential for a safe and effective twist. Then exhale and gently twist your upper body to the right, looking over your right shoulder. As you twist, focus on moving from your rib cage rather than forcing the twist with your arms. This ensures a more natural and comfortable movement. Hold for a few seconds, then return to the center and repeat on the other side. Holding the twist allows your muscles to stretch and your spine to adjust. Remember to breathe deeply and evenly throughout the exercise. After holding the position, slowly return to the center and repeat the twist on the left side, following the same steps. By incorporating torso twists into your daily routine, you can enjoy numerous benefits. These exercises not only strengthen your core and improve spinal mobility, but also enhance your overall flexibility and balance. Additionally, they can help reduce stress and tension in your body, promoting a sense of relaxation and well-being. To make the most out of your torso twists, consider practicing them in a calm and quiet environment. This allows you to focus on your movements and breathing without any distractions. You can also combine torso twists with other gentle stretches and exercises to create a comprehensive morning routine that prepares your body and mind for the day ahead. Remember, consistency is key. By regularly practicing torso twists, you can gradually improve your flexibility, strength, and overall health. So take a few minutes each morning to wake up your core and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Your body will thank you for it. Section 6. Cat-cow stretch. Spinal flexibility and energy flow. The cat-cow stretch is a dynamic stretch that improves flexibility in your spine and core while also calming the mind. 1. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. 2. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin towards your chest, cat pose. 3. As you exhale, drop your belly towards the floor, lifting your chest and tailbone towards the ceiling, cow pose. 4. Continue flowing between cat and cow pose for several breaths. Section 7. Leg swings, getting your blood pumping. Leg swings are a fantastic way to increase blood flow and loosen up your hips and legs. They're also a great way to get your heart rate up a bit and feel more energized. First, stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding onto a wall or chair for balance if needed. Then, slowly swing one leg forward and backward, like a pendulum. Increase the range of motion as you feel your muscles loosening up. And finally, repeat on the other side. Section 8. Make stretching a habit. Tips for daily success. Don't feel pressured to do a full hour of stretching right away. Even 5 to 10 minutes can make a difference. You can stretch anywhere, anytime. No fancy equipment needed. Put on some music, listen to a podcast, or enjoy the quiet of the morning. The more you stretch, the better you'll feel. Aim to make it a daily habit. Section 9. A more energetic you. Embrace the power of stretching. Incorporating these simple stretches into your morning routine can profoundly impact your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. Imagine waking up and feeling a sense of calm and readiness for the day ahead. Stretching helps to awaken your muscles, increase blood flow, and prepare your body for the activities to come. It's a gentle way to transition from rest to activity, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. Stretching is a gift you give to yourself, a way to start your day with intention and vitality. It's not just about physical flexibility, it's about mental clarity and emotional balance. When you stretch, you create a moment of mindfulness, a pause to connect with your body and breath. This simple act can reduce stress, improve your mood, and enhance your overall sense of well-being. Remember, consistency is key. The more you prioritize these stretches, the more you'll reap the benefits. Over time, you'll notice increased flexibility, reduced muscle tension, and a greater sense of ease in your movements. Your body will thank you for the regular care and attention. It's a small investment of time with significant returns for your health and happiness. So, set your alarm a few minutes early, roll out of bed, and give your body the gift of movement. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching can make a big difference. Focus on areas that feel tight or stiff and breathe deeply as you stretch. This practice can become a cherished part of your morning routine, a time to center yourself and prepare for the day ahead. You deserve to feel your best each and every day. By embracing the power of stretching, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier, more energetic you. So, start today and let the benefits unfold. Your body, mind, and spirit will thank you for it. Embrace the power of stretching and transform your mornings into a time of renewal and joy.